Second choice, Ice Palace. Away they go. Gold Quest from the outside. Conqueror rushing up is Mama Don't Preach Fargo. Ice Palace. Stay at home Mom also rushing up. It's Conqueror, Fargo, Mama Don't Preach alongside is Gold Quest. Ice Palace is running by the rail. Stay at home Mom. Gold B racing from the outside. Douglas Paramore. Big Pocket, no boundary, all out. And a long way back to Dico Akalain and Prince of Natu. Mama Don't Preach, Gold Quest. She's on the outside. Conqueror down on the inside. And Fargo. Ice Palace down on the inside. And at a far turn, Mama Don't Preach by ahead. Gold Quest from the outside. Conqueror Fargo is coming into the picture as they race the final corner. Mama Don't Preach, Gold Quest, Fargo on the further outside, and Conqueror down on the inside is Ice Palace. Mama Don't Preach by a length and a half. Gold Quest, Fargo, Conqueror down on the inside, and Gold B. And nearing the finish line, it's entry number 10, Mama Don't Preach, and finally, Mama Don't Preach. Gold Quest, Fargo, Conqueror, 7A, Gold B, and Stay at Home Mom.